And what is it that is weakening? What are autoimmune disorders? They are all based in suppressed, unchanneled, and misunderstood emotions. I do feel an emotional understanding of ourselves as well people around us is very, very important. I was reading a book by David Brooks the other day, and he talks about people who are either diminishers or they are illuminators. So diminishers are those who make other people feel small, feel unseen.